Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ademide of Foods and Calories. I hope you're doing good. I know it's been a long time we dropped a long video for you. We're sorry about that. Moving forward, I plan to be more consistent in dropping longer videos, okay? I hope you're good. Today I'm sharing a weight gain meal plan using one of our client recipes for you. Before I share the meal plan, I just want to give you some tips, more like an advice if you're starting or if you're currently on a weight gain journey. Okay, first, achieving your body goals is a marathon, it is not a sprint. Whatever your body goals are, it takes lots of determination, consistency, and effort. Some people find it difficult to gain weight, some people find it difficult to lose weight. We all have different body types, and genetics play a key role in our body types and even achieving our body goals. So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and it is a marathon, it is not a sprint. You have to set realistic goals. Do not say you want to gain 10 kg in 1 month when you are like, but no, it's not possible. So if you want to gain weight, set realistic goals. Look at increasing your calorie intake gradually over time. Let's say by increasing like maybe 500 calories from your maintenance, more like you doing something gradual and something that is more sustainable. So that is how your goals should be. Then secondly, I want you to know that it requires consistency to see results. You don't do it when you feel like. It's not motivation that will give you your body goals. It's your consistency and your discipline that will give you your results. Let's say you're on a 2,500 calorie diet, you increase your calorie from 2,000 to 2,500 calories. That is more realistic compared to, oh, I really want to gain weight so fast, so I'm increasing it to 3,000 or 3,500. And it's not going to be sustainable because 3,000 calories is a lot, especially if you're a female and you really don't even like to eat, but you're so adamant on, you really want to fit into this dress by September, I really need to gain weight and all that. So what I would advise you to do is to stay on something you can sustain. So don't do 3,000, because if you say you're increasing to 3,000 today, you do 3,000, tomorrow you're in 2,000, next tomorrow to 5. You're not going to see results that way, and you'll be frustrated compared to someone who is doing 2,5, 2,5, 2,5, 2,5. You see the difference. Yes. So your consistency, it is a marathon, it is not a sprint. I'll also like to address the issue of protein powder. There are lots of people ask that, must I use protein powder to gain weight? No, you do not need a protein powder to gain weight. As long as you're eating your required amount of protein intake in a day from your food, then your protein powder shouldn't be part of your diet. But if you know you want, I am not disputing protein powder, but it is not a starter pack to weight gain. Neither is banana, oats. They had this thing, milk. People be like, if you want thick thighs, add banana, add all this to your smoothie and all that. I can do that if I'm trying to lose weight. I even add it to recipes for people who want to lose weight. Bananas is not an automatic thick thigh food. So if you don't like bananas and you've been forcing it down your throat because you want to be thick, my sister, my sister, remove it. Okay. It's not compulsory you have that kind of diet, though it's delicious. It's also in a way high protein depending on the quantity of ingredients you use. But apart from that, saying thick thighs and big bum bum, it's a tickums. It's not. Okay. Another thing I'd like to address is the issue of junk food. You don't need to eat junk to gain weight. In fact, junk does more harm than good to your body. So you can eat and gain weight on a healthy diet. You don't need junk. Of course, a lot of junk foods are high calories, they contain high trans fats, and if you subject yourself to them constantly, you stand the risk of being obese, you stand the risk of having high cholesterol levels, even diabetes and other form of metabolic diseases. So you should stop junk food, eating donuts every day, all that. No, you should really stop and focus more on healthy diet. Of course, for it to be balanced, you can incorporate your sweet treat, but that should just be 20% of the time. Your main meal, 80% of your main diet should be healthy. Let's say 20% for sweet treats. That's okay, it's just one life. Also, exercise plays a key role in our overall body health and also in increasing and building muscle mass. Let's say you're trying to gain weight. I know a lot of people like, oh, if you're trying to gain weight, you shouldn't exercise because it's going to burn calories. But no, that shouldn't work. Okay, you're trying to exercise because you want to be fit, you want to look toned, you want to look firm. Of course, you're gaining weight, you wouldn't want big bump, you know, I mean, you wouldn't want big stomach and just being flabby everywhere. You want to have toned muscle, look firm, and also the exercise will help you do that. The exercise will help you also gain your muscle mass. So focus on strength training exercises. You can go to the gym, and if you do not like going to the gym, that's totally fine. You can be at home, get your dumbbells, and get your dumbbells or whatever strength training equipment you like, and work with YouTube. There are a lot of YouTube videos. You can start with a beginner level so you don't get exhausted and feel discouraged. Remember, again, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint, so you have to give it time for you to see results. Back to the plan I'm going to be showing you. It's over 2,700 calories, 120 grams of protein, and it's created for Tola. Tola is a 26-year-old female who is about 60 kg. She is 180 centimeter. Her BMI is 18.5 kilogram per meter square. Of course, that shows it's normal, but it's within the lower limit of normal, and she is slim. I want to create a plan that is not different from the meal she has always been taking, same meal she has always been taking, but you're just gradually increasing the calories and also adding refreshing meals for her, different from the way she will take it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and you can always follow us on Foods and Calories on Instagram. We are way more active there, but we'll be more active yet so now. All right, have a great day, loves. Bye. The essence of having pre-workout meals is to give you better performance during your workout sessions. So the pre-workout meals are usually light meals that are not filling, but of course they're able to sustain you, and they're taking about 15 to 30 minutes before your workout session. For breakfast, we did egg and mayo sandwich. The reason why I'm not using bread is because it's not available, so I substituted with tortilla wraps. And this is not only nutritious but has over 20 grams of protein, which is what we aim to get per meal, and it's delicious. Lunch, of course, we are drinking our calories with this recipe. It is not for thick ties, like I've always said. Okay, but it's absolutely delicious and has over 25 grams of protein. For dinner, we are doing chicken and chips, but instead of making it the conventional way, frying the chips and all, we are going to air fry with just 2 tablespoons of oil. We are using chicken breast, which is high protein, and we are cooking it. We are not also frying it. Then we added 2 tablespoons of ketchup and some green peppers and red peppers, and it's absolutely delicious. Balance maintenance was 1,971 calories, but we increased by 800 to get over 2,700 calories.